The first section is the overlay. The point of this is to highlight the overlay argument. It's a Boolean, and all it does, when you save this script, it will add a separate window for your indicator to the main chart, or it will overlay on top of the candles or whatever you have for data showing up here. So as an example, I have this plot function here, and overlay is set to false. And with false, it'll show up in a separate window. And by default, the overlay is always set to false. So I could actually just have this. Basically, this is all you need. So let me save this. And nothing happened because I need to add it to the chart. And it's showing up there. And now if I change it to overlay true, which is the other option, it should plot to the main chart. The thing though is you'll notice that it's actually still plotting to this separate window, and that's because you need to delete that indicator and re-add it to the chart. That's the only time you need to do that, when you're saving in between code changes. It won't automatically change for you. So be aware of that when you're switching the overlay to true to false, just to see how it looks, and it doesn't change, just know that you need to delete it and re-add it. So now it's up here, and if you look closely, you'll see the blue line running through every close of these candles. And let me change these candles to bars so you can see it more clearly. So this is the plot function. And that's all the overlay argument does. It's definitely good to know when you're trying to figure out how to plot to the chart or to a separate window. And you can read more about it in the reference manual here.